Hello children, welcome to the maths class. Children, today we are going to study another topic of maths, that is comparing three-digit numbers.
Students, this topic you already studied in class first, but in first standard you have studied only comparing two-digit numbers. Okay, so it will not be difficult for you to understand. Okay children, now we are going to study comparing numbers. What is the meaning of comparing numbers? Students, by comparing numbers, you have to understand that if two numbers are given to us, we have to find out that which number is bigger or which number is smaller, or is both numbers are equal. So this is the meaning of comparing numbers. Okay, now to study this you have to remember these signs. I am sure you already studied these signs in class first, right? So you just recall it once more. See children, this is the greater than sign, this is the less than sign, and this is the equals to sign. Okay students, now I am going to explain this to you with the help of some example. So let us begin with the single digit numbers. See children, I have written two numbers here. Okay, this is very easy for you to understand and answer, right? If I ask you which one is bigger and which number is smaller, you will be able to answer very easily, right? Okay children, tell me children, which number is smaller? Yes, 5 is a smaller number. And which number is bigger? Yes, 6 is a bigger number. Students, you always have to remember that the mouth will open towards the greater number. Now you think, if you are feeling hungry, you are going to eat something which is big or which is small. Of course, you are going to eat something which is big. Okay. So imagine children, these signs as mouth of crocodile. Okay, you just imagine these signs of mouth of crocodile. Okay, now this crocodile wants to eat. Okay, this crocodile is very hungry. So which side the mouth of crocodile will open? Towards the smaller number or towards the bigger number? Yes, of course, it will open towards the bigger number. Open towards the bigger number. Okay, so we will open the mouth. We will open the mouth of this crocodile towards the bigger number. Towards the bigger number. Right? Understood children? Students, look at this example. Here we have two-digit numbers. They are 11 and 16. See children, 1 is in tens place. This 1 is ones place. This number, in this number, 1 is in tens place and 1 is in ones place. And in this number, 1 is tens place and 6 is in ones place. Okay students, now look at tens place first. Look at the tens place first. Okay, the number at tens place or the both the same. The numbers at tens place or both the same. Here also in tens place 1 is there, and here also 1 is there. Okay, if the numbers at tens place are the same, then we are going to look for one place. We are going to look for the number at one's place. Okay, see children, in this number 1 is one's place and 6 is in one's place. So here 1 is there and here 6 is there. So tell me students, which is the bigger number, 1 or 6? Which is the bigger number, 1 or 6? Yes, 6 is a bigger number. Okay, so we are going to open the mouth of crocodile towards the bigger number. Okay, now tell me students, what are the numbers? This 1 is 11, 1 6, 16. You can easily tell the differences in these two numbers, that which one is bigger number, which one is smaller number. Yes, bigger number is 16, the smaller number is 11, right? So students, the crocodile wants to eat the bigger number, so we are going to open the mouth of crocodile towards the bigger number. Students, here is one more example for you. Again we have taken 2-digit numbers. Okay, so 5 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place and 9 is in ones place. Now see the numbers at tens place. This is 5 is in tens place and 3 is tens place. Here 5 is tens place and here 3 is in tens place. So tell me students, which one is bigger number? 5 is a bigger or 3 is a bigger? Yes, 5 is a bigger number. So the crocodile going to eat the bigger number. Okay, so the mouth of the crocodile will open towards the bigger number. Okay, in this way it will very much clear for you to understand that which side the mouth of crocodile going to open. Now you can read the numbers: 5 7 57, 3 9 39. Now you can easily compare these two numbers, which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Okay, so 57 is the bigger number and 39 is the smaller number. So the crocodile going to eat bigger number. So this side the crocodile, this side the mouth of crocodile will open. Okay, now children, here is an example of 3-digit numbers for you. So let us start with example. Okay, students, 2-digit numbers is always smaller than a 3-digit numbers. Comparing 3-digit numbers is similar to comparing 2-digit numbers. Okay, let's start with this example. See children, 723 and 456. 7 is in 100 place, 2 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. In this, 4 is in hundreds place, 5 is in tens place and 6 is in ones place. That you already know it. Now first compare the numbers at 100 place. First we have to compare the numbers at 100 place. Here it is 7 and here it is 4. So which one is bigger? 7 is a bigger or 4 is a bigger? Yes, 7 is a bigger number. So now you don't have to look at the number at tens place or ones place. You can easily understand that the number at 100 place which are given to you. In those, which one is a bigger number? Okay, here 7 is a bigger number. So the mouth will open towards the bigger number. So students, read this number. Yes, 723, 723, and 456, 456. Here which one is a bigger number? Yes, 723 is a bigger number. So the mouth will open towards the bigger number. Understood children? Students, ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 7 ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 4 ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇದು 7, ಇದು 4 ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ 4 ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 723 is a bigger number. Understood children?
Students, look at this example. Here we have 3-digit numbers 436 and 412. 4 is in 100 place, 3 is in tens place, and 6 is in ones place. In this number, 4 is in 100 place, 1 is in tens place, and 2 is in ones place. Students, you already know that first we compare the numbers at 100 place. So here it is 4 and here it is 4. In 100 place, here it is 4 and here also is 4. So the numbers at 100 place are the same. So if the numbers are the same at 100 place, then we are going to see the numbers at tens place. Understood children? If the numbers at 100 place are the same, then we are going to see the numbers at tens place. So now in tens place, here it is 3 and here it is 1. So tell me students, which one is a bigger number, 3 or 1? Yes, 3 is a bigger number. 3 is a bigger number. So the crocodile wants to eat bigger number or smaller number? Yes, it will eat bigger number. Okay students, by this you can understand mouth of the crocodile will open towards the bigger number. Understood children? Now read these numbers. This is 436 and this is 412. Now which one is a bigger number? Yes, 436 is a bigger number. So we are going to open the mouth of the crocodile towards the bigger number. Understood children? ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಎರಡು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ 4 ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ 4 ಇದೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3 ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ನೀಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 3 1 ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 3 is a bigger number, so 436 is a bigger number. Understood children? Now let's see one more example. Students, look at this example. Here we have two numbers, 623 and 628. In this, 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place, and 3 is in ones place. And in this number, 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place, and 8 is in ones place. So students, first we will start the comparison of numbers at hundreds place. So in this number, here it is 6 and here it is 6. It means that the numbers at hundreds place are same. Okay, now we have look at the number at tens place. So here it is 2 and here it is 2. And students, so the numbers at tens place also are same. Now if you find out the numbers at hundreds place and tens place are same, then we will see the numbers at ones place. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ and ಈ ಕಡೆ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಇದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ both numbers same. and tens ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, tens ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ತರ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ we will see the numbers at ones place. Okay, now we have look at the numbers at ones place. Here it is 3 and here it is 8. So tell me students, which one is a bigger number, 3 or 8? Yes, 8 is the bigger number. So the mouth will open towards the bigger number. That means towards the number, towards the 8. Now read the numbers. Yes, 623 and 628. Okay students, so which is a bigger number, 623 or 628? Yes, 628 is the bigger number. So you will open the mouth towards the bigger number. Understood children? 628 is the bigger number. So we open the mouth of crocodile towards the bigger number. Understood children? Yes. So you understand this in the comparison part. If the numbers at hundreds place are same, then you are going to compare the numbers at tens place are also same, then you are going to compare the numbers at ones place. Okay, now what are the situation comes in which the numbers at hundreds place, tens place and ones place are all the same? So let us have a look at that. Students, look at this example. Here we have two numbers. They are 222 and 222. 2 is in hundreds place and this 2 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. Here also 2 is in hundreds place and 2 is in tens place and this 2 is in ones place. Students, the numbers at hundreds place are same. Here it is 2 and here it is also 2. Both numbers are same at hundreds place. Okay, now look at the numbers at tens place. See children, at tens place the numbers are also same. Here it is also 2 and here is also 2. Both numbers in tens place also same. And now look at the look at the numbers at ones place. Here it is 2 and here it is also 2. In ones place also both numbers are same. So students, now what you are going to do now? So students, in this case we are going to put a equals to sign. This means students, both numbers are equal, so you have to put a equals to sign. This is a equals to sign. Understood children? Okay. 222 and 222, both numbers are equal, so we have to put a equals to sign. Students, if so here no number is greater or and no number is smaller. Okay, both sides the numbers are same, both sides the number are equal, then you have to put this equals to sign. Understood children? Students, look at this example. Here we have 3-digit numbers and here we have 2-digit numbers. 1 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. Students, here will you write HTO? No. Why? Because this is a 2-digit number. So you will write tens place and ones place. 9 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. Students, you have understand that 3-digit numbers always greater than 2-digit numbers. So here we have 3-digit number, that is 120, and here we have 2-digit numbers, that is 95. So this number means 120 is greater than 2-digit number, means 95. 120 is greater than 95. Okay, so the mouth of crocodile will open towards the greater number, that means towards the 3-digit numbers, means towards the 120 number. Okay, so remember this children, that 3-digit numbers always greater than 2-digit numbers. Understood children? Okay students, in today's class what we have learned? Yes, we have learned comparing numbers. Okay, I hope you understood this concept very nicely. Okay children? Thank you.